Friends, welcome to the new Crypto World Update. Finally, the market is rewarding all those who patiently waited for this moment. The bull run of 2025 has officially started. Bitcoin is already at $104,000, Solana is approaching $175,000, and Ethereum has finally settled above $2,000. And this is just the beginning of the wild rise. Today, we will break down the reasons for such a sharp surge and talk about coins that haven't received much attention yet, but have all the potential to 5 to 10x in the coming months. As always, I'll go over all the details so you can catch the best opportunities at the right time. Subscribe, like, and let's go find new crypto treasures. Friends, over the past 2 days, the market has gone absolutely crazy. And that's no exaggeration. We've just witnessed the start of a military escalation between India and Pakistan, with Pakistan claiming India is planning a strike within the next 24 to 36 hours. Add to that Trump's latest remarks on China, stating he has no intention of lifting or reducing tariffs, which only intensified the ongoing trade war tensions. Meanwhile, Jerome Powell kept a neutral tone, saying the Fed would wait and see, noting that rising tariffs could fuel inflation and slow down the US economy. But you know what? The market doesn't care, it's just pumping, completely ignoring all these geopolitical risks. And following the Global Liquidity Index, which I've been talking about for weeks, the rise in M2 money supply, yes, that same liquidity metric, is pointing toward future USD inflation, and historically, that's been rocket fuel for crypto. And it's not all chaos. We've got some positive macro news too. The UK and US just struck a tariff deal, easing tensions between the two economies. Britain received just a 10% tariff and is now hoping for more concessions moving forward. All this is laying down the perfect setup for a bullish market phase. Just look at the major altcoins. When's the last time you saw Ethereum back over $2,000? Or Solana climbing past $170? What's funny is, I've been getting comments under nearly every video saying Ethereum is dead and Solana is done for. And when I said I was buying Ethereum at $1,400 and Sol at $100, everyone laughed and called it a mistake. Well, now those tokens are up 60 to 70% in just 4 weeks. Not bad, right? And honestly, this is just the beginning. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more market updates and deep dives on specific coins. Because right here on this channel, I told you exactly when and why I was buying Ethereum and Solana at the bottom. And there's a lot more of that kind of content coming your way. Now, let's get into the next batch of coins I'm watching closely. These ones haven't exploded yet, but they're looking incredibly promising. So stick around till the end, you won't want to miss this. Sui is a Layer 1 blockchain developed by Miston Labs, a team of former blockchain research architects from Meta. Launched in May 2023, Sui immediately drew attention for its innovative architecture that tackles major scalability and transaction speed issues. As of now, Sui is priced at $3.90 with a market cap of $13 billion, making it the 11th largest crypto project by market capitalization. Its 24-hour trading volume has reached $3.4 billion, up 46%, showing strong momentum. Yet the project is still trading 26% below its all-time high of $5.34 billion, set in January 2025. Sui uses a unique object-oriented data model and the Move programming language, enabling parallel transaction execution and 500 milliseconds finality, faster than many competitors like Solana or Ethereum. Thanks to this, Sui can handle thousands of transactions per second with low fees, making it ideal for DeFi, gaming, and NFTs. For example, Sui supports features like ZK login and sponsored transactions, which simplify onboarding and make Web3 apps more accessible. Its TVL grew to $2 billion by the end of 2024, and the recent partnership with 21 Shares to launch a US-based ETF brought significant institutional attention. Another strength of Sui is its focus on user experience and security. The Move language helps prevent common smart contract vulnerabilities, while the object-oriented model allows developers to build complex assets with deep interaction. In my opinion, Sui hasn't yet shown its full potential. With a strong team, a growing ecosystem, and institutional backing, it looks like a prime candidate for a 3 to 5x move in the coming months. Let's move on to Internet Computer, a Layer 1 blockchain developed by the DFINITY Foundation that aims to completely rethink the Internet by transforming it into a decentralized global computing platform. Launched in May 2021, ICP positions itself as a world computer designed to replace centralized cloud services like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. It enables developers to build dApps that run at web speed and scale without limits. Currently, ICP is trading just above $5 with a market cap of $2.8 billion, ranking it 37th among all crypto projects. Over the past 24 hours, trading volume hit $102 million, a 53% increase, signaling renewed market interest. What makes ICP stand out in the AI narrative is its architecture. It uses canisters, smart contract equivalents with 4 gigabytes of memory, allowing complex AI models to run directly on-chain. Unlike traditional cloud services, ICP offers decentralized computation, which is critical for AI applications that demand both security and scalability. In 2024, ICP launched the DAI, Decentralized AI Initiative, giving developers the tools to deploy AI models like large language models, LLMs, without middlemen. The network already supports AI-based apps like Dragon Image Generation and Kinnick, a Web3 AI-powered search engine. DFINITY has also partnered with AI-focused startups like SingularityNet to integrate AI tools into the ecosystem. This positions ICP as a strong player in the emerging AI x Web3 space, a market projected to reach $200 billion by 2028. Of course, challenges remain. The TVL to market cap ratio suggests ICP might be overvalued, and local DEX activity, e.g. on Sonic DEX, is still relatively low, showing a lack of ecosystem traction. Forecasts for 2025 are mixed. Some analysts see upside to $13 to $22 if ICP holds key support at $3.24 to $4.44 and gains more institutional attention within the AI sector. Others are less optimistic, suggesting the price could stagnate if growth slows. In my opinion, ICP has clear multi-X potential over the next 6 to 12 months, especially if the team can revive developer engagement and accelerate AI ecosystem growth. Right now, it looks undervalued in a bullish market, and that could be your entry before the real breakout begins. Akash Network is a Layer 1 blockchain built on the Cosmos SDK that offers a decentralized cloud computing platform with a strong focus on AI, DeFi, and high-performance applications. Launched in 2020, the project aims to create an open marketplace where users can buy and sell computing power, bypassing expensive centralized services like AWS and Google Cloud. As of May 9, 2025, Akash is priced at $1.71 with a market cap of $448 million, ranking it 128th among all crypto projects. Its 24-hour trading volume hit $90 million, but with only a 7% price increase on the day, it's clear that Akash hasn't yet seen the kind of parabolic growth other assets are experiencing in this bull run. Akash runs on a unique model, a peer-to-peer marketplace where anyone can rent out their computing resources, like GPUs, or lease them at up to 90% lower prices than traditional providers. The AKT token is used for payments, staking via proof of stake, and governance within the ecosystem. In Q4 2024, Akash's revenue jumped 144% to $742,000, and lease volume rose 274% to 61,000, driven by rising demand for GPU resources in AI workloads. The network's GPU capacity grew to 577 units, and utilization increased by 42%, demonstrating how the project is aligning itself with the surging trend of decentralized AI compute. Akash has also formed partnerships with NVIDIA, sponsored their GTC 2025 conference, and is collaborating with projects like Venice.ai to deploy AI models on-chain. Price forecasts for 2025 look promising. Analysts expect a range between $4.04 and $6.46 by year-end. In my view, Akash Network remains an undervalued project with strong fundamentals. The rising demand for GPU access and Akash's ability to offer scalable, cost-effective solutions gives it real upside. There's a strong chance Akash could deliver a 4 to 6x return over the next 6 to 12 months, especially as the market continues to heat up. Friends, that's it for today. Remember, this is just my personal view of the market, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and stay tuned for more coin reviews. See you next time.